Welcome. If you're looking to connect with your audience in real time, broadcasting a live stream on your Telegram channel is a fantastic way to do it. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to go live on Telegram, so you can share your message, host events, or interact with your community instantly. First, make sure you have the Telegram app installed and you're logged into your account. Once you're in, locate your channel from the list of chats on your home screen. Tap to open your channel. At the top of the screen, you'll see your channel's name. Go ahead and tap on it. This brings you into the channel's info page, where you can access all the settings and management features. Look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those dots to open a menu. Here, you'll find the option labeled Start Live Stream. Select this option to begin setting up your broadcast. Before you go live, Telegram will prompt you to configure your camera and microphone settings. Make sure everything is set up the way you want. Choose whether to stream with your camera on or just use audio, and check your mic for clear sound. When you're ready, hit the Start Live Stream button. Your broadcast will begin instantly, and your subscribers will be notified that you're live. Viewers can join in, send messages, and interact with you in real time, making your stream engaging and dynamic. To wrap up your session, simply tap the Leave button and select End Live Stream. Your broadcast will conclude, and you can always review feedback or continue the conversation in your channel chat. That's it! With these quick steps, you can start live streaming on Telegram and connect with your audience wherever they are. Give it a try and see how easy it is to bring your community together with live video.